Hey everyone! Sorry for my appearance. I just got off of work from a long day of doing exactly what I'm going to explain to you. Um, so insurance is sometimes a really hard thing for people to understand, and I think it kind of intimidates people. So hopefully this will help you if you're ever looking for an insurance quote, make it a little less intimidating, a little more user-friendly. Insurance is a great thing once you understand it, and it's actually kind of fun. So to start off, I'm just gonna tell you how to go about getting an insurance quote for an auto policy. So my essay starts out, it's a beautiful day, the weather's real sunny, and you and your friends are driving down the highway, you get pulled over, you get a speeding ticket and a no insurance ticket. Dang it. Insurance is, you have to have it by South Dakota state laws. So now you need to go get an insurance policy. So what do you do to start off with? First things first, gather up your information. This is the most important part. Write down your full name, first, middle, and last, your social security number, your birth date, your driver's license number, and your phone number and your address, just so that your insurance agent can contact you appropriately. Once you have gathered that information, go ahead and get your vehicle information. You're going to need the make, the model, the year, and your VIN number. Your make, your model, and the year of your vehicle. If you don't know that for sure, you can always go out to your vehicle and check your owner's manual. It should have all that information in there. Your VIN number, most people don't know that off the top of their heads, so if you just peek in your windshield on the driver's side, there should be a little strip like this. It'll have 17. It's a combination of letters and numbers, so there should be 17 of them. Write that down. That's your VIN number. Once you have completed that information, you are now ready to give your insurance agent a call, set up a time to meet, and when you guys agree on a time that works best for both of you, bring in your information, and you'll kind of discuss with your insurance agent what policy is best for you. Running a quote as an insurance agent is actually fairly simple. It usually takes me about, I'd say maybe about 20-25 minutes to run an insurance quote, so pretty quick. Grab a soda or coffee and wait it out. It's worth the wait. So your insurance agent will input your information into the computer system and pull out a quote that is, best suited for you. One really important thing to remember is always be honest with your insurance agent about your driving history, tickets, violations, claims, anything like that. Your insurance agent will have to run a motor vehicle report anyways, but telling all that information that she or he is going to find anyways is a really good way to start off the appointment, because that kind of gives your agent a better idea of where to place your policy, with which companies are going to take you and which ones are going to have the best premium. So once you guys have, picked out a quote and everything like that, now it's kind of time to discuss what you want for limits. South Dakota state law, you have to have $25,000 per person, up to $50,000 per accident, and $25,000 worth of property damage. That is the law. Most agents, including myself, will suggest to you that you have higher limits than that, just because they get exhausted pretty fast. You don't ever want to be in a situation where you don't have enough liability, because that would not be good. So once you choose your liability limits, it's kind of time to talk about deductibles. If you have a loan on your vehicle, most places it's required that you have full coverage. Your deductibles can range from anywhere between $100 for comprehensive, $100 for collision, all the way up to $1,000. So you've got quite a range to choose from. A little tip: generally your premium is going to be cheaper the higher your deductible is. So if you have $1,000 deductible, it's going to probably be quite a bit cheaper than it would be if you had a, say, $250 deductible. So you need to decide upon that. Make sure you have your lien holder information, just the bank name and the address of where, if you had a loss, the payment would need to be sent to. So just make sure you have that information. Once you and your insurance agent have kind of decided and come to an agreement that you found the quote for you, it fits into your budget, it fits into your needs, full coverage, liability, everything's taken care of, your insurance agent will issue the policy, have you sign your application, and send you off with ID cards. Once you put those ID cards in your car, you are ready to go. You're now legal. No more no insurance tickets. So again, like I said, kind of an intimidating process. I hope this video helps, and in the future you can call me if you ever need an insurance quote. So thanks.